Realme has already released the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Plus smartphones and is now working on the launch of the Realme 13 and Realme 13 Plus. This is the first looks Realme 13 Plus. The Realme 13 and Realme 13 Plus launch could be nearing as the phone has appeared on several certification sites. Realme 13 Plus 5G Geekbench listing it will have a 2.5 GHz max CPU clock, which will likely be part of the 4nm chipset Dimensity 7300. It has 6 GB of RAM and Android 14 on board. The Realme 13 Plus 5G will feature a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED screen embedded with a fingerprint sensor. Speaking of cameras, the design suggests a triple shooter on the back, a 50-megapixel primary camera, and a 16-megapixel front camera. Realme 13 Plus pack a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt super fast charger. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.